guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan, and I have a bit of a mess. I did a pour that just did not work. Right here, I'll show you very, very carefully. I tried everything I could think of to make it work. See how pretty that corner is right there? Gorgeous. But that middle part was just horrendous, so I tried to save it, and it just got worse and worse and worse. So I thought, well, I'll put some glitter in the middle. Maybe it'll look like kind of like a geode that those that are getting really popular that people are doing. And I thought, you know, it kind of looks almost geode-ish, so let's give it a try. Well, not so much. I'm just in love with this spot right here, so I may just have to do some pictures. Some close-up pictures, because look, just like that, pretty. But like that, yeah, not so much. And I played with it and played with it, so anyway, I had a fail, but that's okay. That happens. And I played with it a little bit, so I got some experimenting in. So anyway, I have some of this paint here, and it's really, really pretty. Probably not right for jewelry, though, because it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of all separated, and then if I try and do this and get it all together, it's just going to be a big purple blob. So I thought I would do a dip. I have some canvas panels, and they do pretty well with dips because you don't use quite as much paint. It doesn't, you're not pouring it right on the canvas. So I thought I'd use the colors that I had for, that was a triple swirl that I did. Not that you can tell. That's probably the worst triple swirl I've ever done. It's like going to the Olympics with trying to do your triple axel and you just fall on your butt. Not anywhere close to that. But anyway, that's what I had in my mind. Okay, I've been pouring. I'm making a mess. My brain is obviously not there any longer. Okay, so I had white, silver. This is metallic, not metallic copper. That would be silly. That's Lineate. Where's my packet? This is iridescent copper. That's right. Phthalocyanine green and purple. And this is a little bit thicker. I don't think I've ever done a dip with this mix before. This is my swirl mix, which is a hair bit thinner, or thicker, excuse me, than my mixes when I try and get cells. I like it a bit thicker for that. Or thinner for cells. Oh my goodness. Somebody get me some coffee or a pillow. So if you've not seen a dip before, excuse me, they're really pretty and feathery. They have a very distinct look. I have mostly purple, or silver and white and copper left. Because they get really feathery and kind of pretty. I gotta see how much I need here. I don't want to go short. And when you press it, the paint does obviously kind of press in, so I don't need the whole area like completely covered, but most of it covered. Some of this silver. Add a little bit more white right here. More green. Let's check this again. I think I'm good lengthwise. I need some right here. Some more up here. Just add some more silver up here. Just make kind of a silver corner, and then I'll maybe add a little bit of white. A little bit of purple up here. Okay. This is pretty large for a dip for me. I've done some, I think I've only done one. Well, no, I take that back. I've done a couple. One of my larger canvases is a dip, but it's kind of a mistake save thing as well. My paint was starting to crack and craze, so I decided to take another canvas and do a dip into the painting that was starting to crack, craze right before my eyes, just to use the paint. A little more. That. And let's see if we have enough here. Let's see. I think we may have it. Let's put a little bit of silver right up here. And then I think I need some more paint right down here. So we'll do purple. Alright, let's hope we can get the edges. If not, I can kind of brush a little bit. Okay. Okay, and ready? Bloop. Ah, and there we go. Pretty dip. Love how they look very flowery. Oh, I have a blank spot right there. Oh, I have a couple blank spots. Let's see. That's right. Let's just play with the paint a little bit. Pull some up, and this will make a really pretty skin. I'll be able to pull that up pretty much in one piece if I'm careful. And do something like jewelry with that. Now that it's pretty. I'm getting some cells, which is interesting because I wasn't getting cells. I didn't get cells when I did the triple pearl swirl. So that's kind of interesting that I'm getting cells on my dip. One more spot that's empty, which is right here. I think I'm going to add some white right there. Let's see. Well, my popsicle sticks need wiped off and dried, I guess. Okay. Ooh, that one came right out of the package with a splinter. Okay, there we go. Have some pretty feathery effects that you get with the dips. Kind of cool. And my paint wasn't just wasted, which is always kind of nice. And this, like I said, I'll be able to some really, really pretty. I'm going to do some close-ups on this because I think that's really cool. Oh, first I have to find a place to put this down. Okay. So like right in there, and then copper and white. Some really, oh, look at that right there. Whoops. Some really, really pretty. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this will make some really pretty skins. You kind of get a two, oh, there too. You kind of get a 2-in-1 with the dip. You get the pattern on the canvas, but then you also get it on the, that's really pretty too. paper. Now I'm pouring on freezer paper. I used to do shelf liner, which I really liked, and I should get some more because it peels off really easily. It does crinkle a little bit when you pour it off of the freezer paper. You can see right there, especially because I have so much. It doesn't usually crinkle that much, but since I poured so much paint on it to do the dip, it's really kind of crinkling. But you can flatten that. You put it on, you know, something, kind of lay it flat, put something heavy on it to try and flatten that up. And of course, for jewelry, you don't need large areas anyway. So, but there you go. So 2-in-1, a dip, and a really pretty skin. We'll see you next time, guys. Happy pouring.